Hello everyone, this is Iraj Khalili from Iran. I record this video after sending a lot of emails to scientists, physics teachers, and physics societies, but I didn't get any answer. I record it for future, or someone is interested in it, asking me, because it's really in brief, I can explain and say a lot of reasons and examples. Scientists believe gravity is not affecting on light, but I don't believe it. I say it's exactly repelling, wards off, gravity wards off light. They are opposed. Perhaps this opposition cause or be the source of the universe. I start in an example. I believe light pushes, every mass has gravity. So when something is getting close to you and the force pushes it, it's turning, it's spinning, rotating. I believe the spinning of the earth, the rotation of the earth, is exactly because of this opposition, this opposed between light and gravity. Sun gravity pulls earth or other planets, and light pushes it. How much is it? I will tell you. How much is this pushing or repelling? I say gravity can shape the mass. How? I say, I believe, or I had some experience, that 10 meters on the ground, something is 10 meters on the ground horizontally, is exactly 13 meters when we look at it vertically. When you stand that thing, or when you look at something with 10 meters high, you see it about 13 meters. Why? Now I stop this part, I say something else. Light a candle. Look at it horizontally. When you get far away from it, you see that light at least from 2,000 meters. When you look at that light from up, high altitude, exactly vertically over its head, go up. You can see it far and far. More than seeing it horizontally. Why? I'm certain about that. Gravity pushes this light to the top, to up. So, we can see it higher and higher. Another example I will talk to you about. Now again I say about the mass. I believe gravity shapes all the heights of the matters and things. Human, trees, everything. Million years ago, we know that dinosaurs were so big, or animals. Why? Again, I say something else here. A man or human with 180 centimeters height now, with this gravity, had been exactly 7.68 meters 100 million years ago. If it was existed, of course. It was human were between 7 to 8 meters that time. How I say this? Again, I will tell you. Because of the high gravity, big gravity, all the animals were big. Dinosaurs were so big. Animals were bigger than now, so bigger than. Human was really tall, taller than now, about between 6 to 8 meters. Because big gravity pushes more the light. Billion years ago, the gravity was Earth was high, day was shorter, night was shorter, and the year was shorter. Because of the big force, big repelling, big warding off. The gravity of Earth was high, so Earth was in opposed with the light of the sun, or every light pushes it. This big force could cause the spinning faster because the energy was high, the force was bigger. So Earth was spinning faster. This big gravity caused the animals or everything bigger. Even trees, perhaps, were so big, so tall. And I believe that gravity is going to be smaller, lower, 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 until that 10 meters long and 13 meters high could be same. Means 10 meters, vertically again 10 meters. Life disappears on the Earth. Like Mars with the gravity of 3.9, I think. Life disappeared on it. And it's impossible to start another life or atmosphere there. With this, we can believe a lot of things. I'll just say some of them. One, I told you, the spinning of the Earth is exactly because of this. Two, the height of the things at that time, night and day and year. And something else. You believe that moon's gravity is the reason of tides on the Earth. Means flow and ebb. Water, oceans, move the water on the Earth, water moves on the Earth because of the gravity of the moon. I don't believe it. I say, moon's gravity is not able to have an atmosphere or hold something on it, keep something on it. How it can affect oceans on the Earth? I don't believe it. I say, because the gravity and water together repels the light. Water is helping the gravity. Light is pushing the water. Gravity is pushing the water more because it's gonna repel. It's gonna ward off the light. So moves the water from this side to that side. Why twice? Because of the land and ocean. When the light is on the ocean, and I don't enter this because I know you have a lot of questions and you don't accept it. I should tell you with some examples, changing the weight even in the pole year and more. Just again I say, gravity repels light, wards off light. Earth spinning is because of the light. Having a lot of animals, big animals, million years ago was because of the gravity. And I believe it, I emphasize that it again. Gravity repels light. I can prove it. I have a lot of examples about it. If you are interested in, or you have any question, ask me or email me by this email. I will explain it to you, or I'll send to you my article about this and the formula I found and more. Thank you very much for watching this video, and waiting please for another video I will send or answering your emails. Thank you.